Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad with Badam powder. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of mixed fresh fruits, 2 tablespoons of Badam powder, 1 cup of chilled milk, and 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. You will also need a mixing bowl and a whisk. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion and offers a unique flavor profile. Now, let's prepare our fresh fruits. Begin by washing about 2 cups of your chosen fruits thoroughly. Peel fruit such as bananas and apples and core any like pears. Next, chop all the fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. This ensures every spoonful offers a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Set these aside in a large bowl. Next, we will create the creamy Badam powder base. In a medium bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Badam powder with 1 cup of chilled milk. Whisk this mixture vigorously until it is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Then, stir in about 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, adjusting to your desired sweetness. This rich, nutty base is what makes this fruit salad truly special. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the smooth Badam powder mixture over your prepared chopped fruits in the large bowl. Gently fold all the ingredients together using a spatula until every piece of fruit is beautifully coated. For best results, chill the fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this unique and delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.